Welcome to Module 2, Content System. By the end of this module, you will have a 3-platform content engine running on a weekly batch system. One Sunday afternoon powers your entire week. You will never start from scratch on content again. Let's set it up. Welcome to Module 2, Content System. This module is all about building a simple, repeatable system that helps your content work across the entire week. Instead of creating from scratch every day, you're going to build a structure that allows one focused Sunday afternoon to power your content across multiple platforms. The goal here is not just to post more, it's to create smarter, with more consistency, less stress, and a system you can actually maintain. By the end of this module, you will have built the key pieces of your content system. That includes a 3-platform content strategy with a clear role for each platform, a Sunday batch workflow that supports your week, an AI twin video workflow that is set up and ready to use, a 30-hook swipe bank for your niche, and 3 Canva templates built specifically for your platforms. The goal is to leave this module with a real system in place, not just content ideas, but a process you can repeat. In Lesson 2.1, we're defining exactly what each platform is meant to do for your brand. Every platform has a different job, and when you understand that clearly, content creation becomes much easier. LinkedIn is where you build authority. Instagram is where you strengthen community. TikTok is where you expand discovery. Instead of posting the same thing everywhere without a purpose, you'll begin creating with intention, so each platform supports a different stage of audience growth and connection. For this lesson, you'll use the AI prompt on screen to generate a platform-by-platform content plan for your niche. Paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. Then use the results to identify the best content format for each platform, the ideal posting frequency each week, and one example post idea for each one. This gives you a clear starting point, so you're no longer guessing what belongs where. You're building a strategy that matches the strength and purpose of each platform. In Lesson 2.2, we're building your Sunday batch workflow. This is the system that turns one focused block of time into content for the entire week. The idea is simple. Build the system once, then let it support all 3 platforms consistently. In this lesson, you're moving away from last-minute posting and into a rhythm that is more structured, more efficient, and much easier to sustain. 3 hours on Sunday can create 9 posts for the week when the system is built correctly. Use the prompt on this slide to generate your time-blocked Sunday workflow with AI. You'll use it to create a clear batching plan for your brand, including a structured workflow, a caption generation prompt for all 3 platforms, and a scheduling checklist using tools like Buffer or MetaSuite. This lesson is about removing friction. Instead of wondering what to do first, next, or last, you'll have a defined process you can follow each week with much more ease. The next 3 lessons focus on 3 high-value deliverables that make your content system faster and more powerful. In Lesson 2.3, you'll build your AI twin video workflow using tools like Fish.audio, Hedra or Higgsfield, Canva slides, Loom, and CapCut to create one polished course-style video. In Lesson 2.4, you'll generate a 30-hook swipe bank across 6 categories, so you always have fresh starting points for content. And in Lesson 2.5, you'll build 3 reusable Canva templates, one for each platform, so future content creation becomes faster, simpler, and more consistent. On page 7, the slide visually groups these into 3 columns and emphasizes the outcome clearly: 1 video workflow, 1 swipe bank, and 1 set of reusable templates. Once you complete this module, your content system is officially built. You will have a clear strategy for each platform, a batching workflow that supports your week, an AI twin video process you can repeat, a swipe bank of hooks to keep ideas flowing, and reusable templates that save time every time you create. That means you're no longer relying on motivation or guessing what to post. You now have a content system designed to support consistency, growth, and momentum. Module 2 is complete. Your content system is built. Your weekly workflow is set. Your hook bank is ready. Mark Module 2 complete, then move to Module 3, where we build, name, price, and launch your first digital product.